Let's face it, losing your valuable digital assets such as your website, e-commerce, or mobile applications can be a heartbreaking experience. Your site could be hacked, and your hard work could be destroyed in a matter of minutes. Cybercrime is a big business, and cybercriminals are actively looking to cash in, no matter your company's size or purpose. Malware not only can slow down and crash your website or server, but criminals can steal sensitive customer information and cause your website to be blacklisted for weeks by search engines such as Google or Bing. In the end, you can end up losing thousands of dollars in repairs and downtime, not to mention the damage that can be made to your reputation and hard-earned website traffic. That's where the Rhyno Secure Cloud comes in. Rhyno is an all-in-one solution that allows you to get high-speed hosting, disaster recovery, cyber attack protection, and website updates for an affordable fixed monthly price. Think of it like the next generation in hosting, one that gives you complete peace of mind. The power of Rhyno revolves around its four main pillars. Built on Amazon Web Services, Rhyno delivers high-performance service speed with scalability, load balancing, CDN, and 99.99% uptime. Our web application firewall and sophisticated total web security system continuously monitors your digital assets 24/7, alerting us of any possible intrusions. Plus, all of your files and databases are backed up every day by a powerful disaster recovery system. Thus, in the event of a catastrophe, your site and digital assets are back and running in a matter of minutes. Lastly, our team of experts continuously perform security and maintenance updates on your site as soon as they're available. They also quickly quarantine and clean up your site in the event of a cybersecurity breach, thus closing the entire security loop. All of this, coupled with the best customer service and technical support in the industry. So, when your website and other digital assets need to run fast, remain secure, and be accessible at all times, why not trust Rhyno? Go to rhyno.io and sign up today.